Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss the part 2 of our video related to report writing. In this we will discuss the question which recently came in Federal Board paper. The question is, suppose you are a member of an NGO working to eliminate the menace of domestic violence against women in our society. Make a survey report to be presented to the CEO of your organization based on the points cited below. A is introduction or mindset behind the menace. B, its impact. C, the role of officials or media. D is remedies and solution. The report carries 8 marks. So now the report is 2 will be the CEO ABC from XYZ member survey team. Subject, survey report to domestic violence against women. Date will come on the right side of the report. Start with the introduction. The introduction in 4 or 5 lines. Domestic violence against women is a serious social menace in our society. The mindset behind this issue is based on male dominance and inequality, and so on. Then comes the report. It will be in detail in 2 or in 3 paragraphs mostly. So the first paragraph will be about its impact. Domestic violence has both physical and psychological impacts. Women suffer injuries, fear, depression, and loss of confidence. The second paragraph will be about the role of the officials. Officials play an important role in controlling this menace. Police authority must take swift action on complaints and ensure fair investigation, and so on. And in the third paragraph you will discuss the places about your survey. During the survey I visited different areas and conducted observations to study this issue. It was found that domestic violence is increasing day by day, and so on. And then comes a conclusion. Discuss conclusion in 2 or 3 lines. Domestic violence is a serious threat to the society, dignity, and well-being of women, so and so on. Then comes the suggestions. You can write 4 or 5 suggestions. For example, strict implementation of laws against domestic violence. Number 2, awareness campaign to change harmful mindsets. Number 3, establishment of helplines, shelters, and counseling centers for victims. You can draw a graph with your report also, although if it is not asked, sometimes it is asked, but if it is not asked, if you will make it, it will give you very good numbers. So you can draw a graph also. Increase in domestic violence cases, for example 2020 to 2025, and then on x-axis you will draw the years, and on y-axis you will draw the number of cases. So I hope that if